Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Siemens C60. I have two units, one from Vodafone and another one from Amena, both from Spain. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one. Let's turn it on. Sorry because they are a bit damaged. The only difference between these two models is the firmware. One from Vodafone, another from Amena. This has color schemes as red or green, and this one blue or red. So there you can see blue, green. Only that they have the same ringtones and wallpapers. I'm gonna show you the ringtones. Okay, and another ringtones from Siemens. Okay, that was all about the original ringtones. Now the wallpapers, really annoying in my opinion. The bee, rose, and a Mexican, nothing much. And some icons for MMS, like each Siemens you can see at my channel. Please like my video and subscribe for more stuff like this. Okay, that was all. Some animations, but the phone is really slow to open it. Wait a minute or something else. The phone was released in 2003 and has a memory about 2 megabytes. It has voice recorder for record your own ringtones. As you can see, a GIF, okay. And from EMS, another animations for MMS. Coffee, cup, rabbit. Okay, that was all about the gallery. The phone really simply only made for calls and messages, voice messages. Also, nothing much. The charger port, the contacts, calls, internet connectivity, the ringtone settings, messages. You could connect the cam in that connector, but I don't have the camera for it. Alarms and calendars, different settings. The gallery I show you, and configuration. Then I could show you the different themes, big letter or small letter, and the colors I told you at the start. You can put red or green in that phone, and the one from Vodafone you can put blue or red, like this one. You can see, change the icons are from fun. There are some games. Let's take a look at it. Some games. Start attack, for example. Only for show you a demo of the phone, what it includes. Okay. It's like a Tetris, I think. Okay, I can't move from there. Oh, go out from there. Oh. You see? Now push the yellow one. Fine. Okay, like Tetris. Magic Picture for edit pictures, but the phone doesn't have infrared or Bluetooth connectivity. You only can send by message. Photo editor and Wapo. Let's take a look. I think it was a puzzle. I don't remember. The phone has a battery of 700 milliamperes that gives to it up to 250 hours of standby and up to 6 hours talking. As you can see, it's really slow, as I show you in the other phone for open only an animation. This one really slow for open a game, so I don't recommend that phone. Could be nice design in his time, 2003, but really slow in my opinion. Wapo. Let's try it. I don't know how to play an adventure game like from a Game Boy. Oh, I will die, I think. Oh, okay. That's a demo. Nothing much from the phone. You can see really slow. So please like my videos and subscribe for more stuff like this. See you soon in the next videos. Bye bye.